Hello viewers, today I'll show you another original and unique recipe of mine using crab and Gobindobhog rice, which is the traditional pulao rice of Bengal. This delicious fusion recipe is simply called crab pulao. For this recipe, I'll be using boiled white and brown crab meat from a female brown crab. This is the brown meat, and previously I showed you the white meat, and these are the bright orange eggs of the female brown crab. I'll also use 1 pint of homemade crab stock. You can see there's bits and pieces of crab meat in it. I'll also need 200 grams of the aromatic Gobindobhog rice of West Bengal or Bangla. I've washed the rice, drained the water and air dried it. The whole spices I've used are 3 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 2 sticks of cinnamon and 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon each chilli and garam masala powder, 1 dry red chilli and 1 tej patta, 6 sliced shallots, a handful of green peas, some saffron soaked in warm water, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. This is the shell of the brown female crab which I am going to use to serve my crab pulao in. Let's put 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pot. Let it melt and then add the dry red chilli and bay leaf along with the other whole spices and fry for a minute. Then add the sliced shallots into the pot and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add the Gobindobhog rice into the pot and fry it well so that all the grains get a nice coating of ghee. Then add the powdered spices and give the pot a good mix. Add the peas and stir the pot. Then add the homemade crab stock into the pot as well as the saffron water. Stir the pot. Add a bit more water to cook the rice. Add salt according to your taste. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes or till the rice is tender. Then open the lid. Add the boiled white, brown crab meat as well as the crab eggs into the pot. Mix them all in. Cover and steam for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar into the pot. Give the pot a mix. And our aromatic and delicious crab pulao is ready. Let's use the crab shell as our plate for the crab pulao. You can see nothing is wasted and it makes a big impact in terms of presentation. Add a crab claw and legs for more oomph. Crab pulao is my original fusion recipe where I've used 2 of the finest gourmet products, namely the native brown crab of Britain and the aromatic Gobindobhog rice from Bengal to create a truly unique and delicious seafood recipe. Give it a try and enjoy.